The topic of the project is wind blowing away the recycling bins in the city of Lethbridge. Sir! Are you frustrated with wind blowing over your recycling bin constantly?
Not me, but my kids probably are. Not me, but my kids probably are.
So guess what? We have a solution for your problem.
Tell me more.
Our company has made a unique solution, a unique design that you never need to take it off, just fit it once and that's all. Since we couldn't wait for the people of Lethbridge to get any more angry, after knowing the problem, our team put in a lot of hard work and finally designed the SolRol.
The bin is placed on a rectangular platform. A clamp extending from the front of the platform reaches up along the middle of the width to the handle at the front, attaching there. Another set of clamps extend from the back to the handlebars and attach to the handles there.
Connected to the handles at the top are the two aluminum tube rods that connect the main steel base of the accessory to the bin. The main base then extends out forward directly under where the bin will be placed, and an additional tube goes up the front connecting the base to the bin's front handle. The back of the base has two hollow steel cylindrical rollers, which are to be filled with sand by the homeowner. These rollers add weight to the bin while still allowing it to be rolled around with ease. These are connected to the steel base by an aluminum box tube. Halfway across the base of the accessory is an additional rectangular base spanning from the left side of the bin to the right side of the bin. This base attaches two fold-out wings, which can be folded out when the bin is on the street, or folded in when the bin needs to be moved.
The latch keeps the flap in the upper position when the flap is not deployed.
Our solution to the ongoing problem relating to the violent winds within the Lethbridge community is valid for numerous reasons. Firstly, our product is exceptionally effective. It has a great deal of rolling weight, ensuring the bin will not tip over under the worst conditions. The materials used to make the product are steel, aluminum, and polyethylene terephthalate. These three materials can easily bear all weather conditions, including temperatures ranging from negative to positive 40 degrees Celsius. Next, the design is highly dependable, as the difference between the sliding and rolling friction makes the bin difficult to move. The design is also easy to manufacture because the product consists of only a few bars, a roller, and some bolts. Similarly, the materials contribute to the low manufacturing cost of approximately $10. The product is 100% compatible due to the simplistic and non-invasive design, and it will in no way alter the bin or affect its functionality. Furthermore, the materials used provide long-term durability to the product. Steel is composed of a strong chemical makeup, therefore it is very resistant to corrosion and has reliable strength. PET is a high-strength plastic and is resistant to moisture. Lastly, aluminum, like steel, is naturally resistant to corrosion. It is also significantly lighter than steel, allowing for parts to be thicker and stronger while keeping the product at a reasonable weight. It is for these reasons that steel, aluminum, and PET are the ideal materials for our design. Finally, the product can be easily installed by the homeowner, as it is as simple as clamping in your bin to the support system and unlatching two flaps to provide additional reinforcement. To move your bin, simply relatch the flaps and you're good to go. Not only will our design defeat Lethbridge's relentless winds, but the retail price comes out to less than $50.
Next, we have a visual representation of what SolRol does to the winds of Lethbridge.